For more, let's get an word from our editor South TS Sudhir, who is joining us this afternoon. Sudhir, it's a crucial bill also as far as the centre is concerned. It's clearly topping their priority list, especially when it concerns the last session of Parliament.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we are now hearing that the President has given time till the 30th of January, which essentially means 5 more working days till the 30th of January for the Andhra Pradesh Assembly to debate the AP reorganization bill. What it essentially means is that Kiran Kumar Reddy will postpone the remaining part of his speech to the last day of the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Also, the Seemandhra lobby very determined to push voting on many of the amendments which have been moved to this reorganization bill. We of course will see many speeches made on the floor of the House by both Telangana as well as Seemandhra MLAs, which will be on predictable lines. But what will be watched with interest is what will Kiran Kumar Reddy's game plan be? Whether he will quit on the floor of the House, as has been speculated, because there has been speculation that he has been preparing the ground to float a separate political party which he will join himself, or perhaps floated by one of his close confidants, either an MP like Lagadapathi Rajgopal or any of the MLAs. So that is the speculation that is gaining ground here in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. But yes, time given till the 30th of January for the Andhra Pradesh Assembly to return the draft bill back to President Pranab Mukherjee.